Today on In the Box, we'll be unboxing the T-Mobile SyncUp Pets device. So this device is used similar to the SyncUp drive that they have, but in this case, it's used to track your pet. You'll be able to have a GPS location on your pet and even set boundaries where if your pet crosses that line, you'll get an alert on your phone. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this guy. So here is the puck that would go on the collar of the pet, it looks like. So this is the part that goes on the collar and it's attached to some sort of base here. Let me see. I'm not sure what this base does, but we'll continue looking through the box here. So you have the start guide that comes here. So I'm assuming all of the instructions are in there on how to use the device and how to attach the device to the pet. Let's take a look here. Okay, so it does have the instructions and it lets you know everything that's included, how to download the app and how to use this device. Here we have, these are attachment. It looks like that's what you use to attach that puck to the collar. We also have a USB Type-C charging cable. So the charger looks like it's a Type-C connection. This looks like a charging base. So I'm not sure what the other base is. So that connects with the cable in order to charge the actual device that the pet will wear, which is that puck. That is the charging base, simple enough. This goes into the wall and then your USB connection plugs into that and then it goes into this base to allow you to charge the device. But let me see. Oh, there we go. So this comes off. Got it. So you charge using that base. You would attach that to the base and there you have it. Your SyncUp Pet is charging up. So then you reattach it to the other base in order to attach it to the pet's collar. I'll get it now. There you go. It's always cool to figure these things out. Let me see if there's anything else. Okay, so we have the terms and condition, return policy, and limited warranty book, which pretty much comes with every device. So that's everything in the box. Thank you guys for tuning in and make sure to subscribe and share.